Assalamu alaikum food lovers, welcome back to High on Food. Today we're diving into the world of culinary delights with a timeless favorite, spring rolls. So grab your apron and let's roll into this Ramadan special recipe. It's just of 5 minutes and you'll learn how to make delicious spring rolls. First let's prepare the filling. Now in a pan heat some oil. Add around 2 tablespoons of oil and let it heat. Here we have a cup of cabbage, capsicum and carrot. Now we'll saute these veggies over medium heat just for 2 to 3 minutes, and then add around 500 grams of boiled and shredded chicken. Now 1 to 2 tablespoons black pepper, 1 to 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 3 tablespoons of chili sauce, and finish it off with 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix them all together properly. Give it a flip nicely. Now add around 1 teaspoon of chicken powder and again give it a good mix. Make flour, celery and keep it aside. It will help you to stick the roll stripes. You can get these roll stripes in market easily. Place your triangle shaped roll stripe on a flat surface. Add a spoonful of filling that we've just made. Give it a roll and like this, and fold the sides inward just like this. Give it a roll and fold sides inwards and roll it tightly. Now seal the edges with a bit of slurry, and now you can roll it over like this and it's done. Repeat the process with all these spring rolls. Until then, I have an ad for you. Introducing the coolest deals of Ramadan season. Get ready to chill out with our incredible selection of frozen items, guaranteed to make your taste buds tingle with delight. Now why wait? Stock up all your frozen's favorite today and let saving begin. Aisa Zaika kahin aur kahan. Home flavors by Rizwana. Order now. I wouldn't recommend it you guys if I haven't tried it myself. This is so delicious with no preservatives, so order it on very discounted deals in this Ramadan. And I must tell you, this is not sponsored. Now let's fry these beauties. Heat some oil in a pan or a wok medium heat. Carefully place these spring rolls into the hot oil and fry until golden brown and crispy. Now we will flip them gently, one by one. Like this. As you can see this color, it means that it is cooked from this side. Now we will give them around 3 to 4 minutes more, and then you can remove the oil and place them on a plate. And there you have it. Crispy and delicious spring roll, ready to be served with your favorite choice of sauce and dipping. Enjoy the burst of flavors with every bite in your iftar. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Until next time, happy cooking, stay high on food. And let me know in the comment section below how it turned out for you. Thank you.